Hi, welcome. So in this video we will discuss about how you can add the question and answer in your Google My Business profile. So once you have to log in your Google My Business profile, so you have to click on question and answer. When you click on question and answer, you have to either ask a question, like you can ask the question from yourself. Third, that question, from this question the users can also identify like this business is providing these services or not, at what price range, everything we can ask here. Click on add a question. Suppose you can ask any question like what is your price, what is your price for website development. Done. Posted. So your question was posted to the community. If you assign in Google Maps on your Android, you will get a notification when the owner or someone else posts an answer. Perfect. Done. So once the question is reflected here, like what is the price of website development. So now we have asked this question, what is the price for the website development. So the owner will get notification and they can like it, they can answer like it's depend. We just put the answer, it's depend. Now how the customer will see this type of question and answer. So let's practical. Go to Umjum Solutions. Once you will go to the Umjum Solutions, you will see question answer in tabs. This question answer, see old question. You can see that the customer asked this question. You can also reply the answer if you are signed in. Okay. So in this way we can use the question and answer feature in our Google My Business profile. Question and answer feature is very important for all businesses. Like in that they can just ask random query question what the clients ask, and they can also leave a reply. So once the customer visit your Google My Business profile, much clarity will be there in the Google, like this kind of service is provided or not. On the basis of that they can also call you, and in the Google My Business profile will also understand like this kind of things are done by this business. So if you have any question you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.